View Al Madinah Hotel Review. Affordable 3-star hotel near Al-Masjid an-Nabawi. View Al Madinah Hotel enjoys an ideal and strategic location in the heart of Medina, making it an excellent choice for Umrah, pilgrims and visitors seeking a comfortable stay and comprehensive 3-star services. Key features and amenities: Internet, free Wi-Fi access available throughout the entire property. Dining, daily buffet breakfast with a variety of options. Customer service, 24-hour front desk to assist you at any time. On-site facilities, an ATM machine is available on-site for your convenience. Parking, private parking is available on-site. Additional charges apply. Location and nearby attractions: Al-Masjid an-Nabawi, the Prophet's Mosque, only 700 meters. A very short walking distance. Quba Mosque, 4.1 kilometer. Prince Mohammed bin Abdulaziz International Airport, 20 kilometer. Traveler's note: the hotel's central location provides easy access to the vibrant markets and local restaurants surrounding the Prophet's holy mosque.